Hey guys, so welcome to another short video or tutorial of my simple ISP cloud-based bandwidth and hotspot management system. So this is how the hotspot dashboard looks like. Here you see active vouchers, shows you the online sessions, then gives you the 24-hour consumed data that has been used within the 24 hours, and then it shows you the number of online vouchers in real time. Then we can go to plans. Now under plans, you can custom make your plan depending on how you want them. So in this case, we have these plans over here, but let's just create one. So you can have, let's say, 1 hour plan. 1 hour plan. Then you can have the description similar to 1 hour. Since it's minutes, you can put in 60 minutes, or you can have it in days, or depending on how you want to set it. Then you can have a data limit. So you can put the data limit to be 500 MB, 1 GB. You can customize it with however you want. Now you have this where it says valid time to valid time. So what this helps you, so for example, this can be compared with Tonokiwa data offer that gives you a 1 hour offer for I think 2 GB or something of the sort. So you can have a various offer where you offer it on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Saturday. You can offer it during your off-peak hours, and you can even have the price. And if it is an offer, you can even have the offer details, and you can even say how much it's been discounted. Now for the pricing, you can just put the price as 10 shillings, and you can have a speed limit on that a specific plan. And once you do so, you just come and you save the plan, and it's as simple as that. Then we go to vouchers. So basically just vouchers shows you the amount of vouchers that have been used. As you can see, all these vouchers have already been used. Bulk extend. Now what this means, so let's say for example you had an outage from let's say from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. for example, right? And you want to reimburse those people that had selected your plans. Now if you'll have a drop down page of all the plans that you have, and you can individually select the plans that you want. So let's say for the 6-hour plan, I want to extend them by another 6 hours or another 1 hour, and you can do that for each and every plan package. And you have the option of sending them an SMS to notify them that that voucher has been extended by, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hours, and then you just click on extend. So it's quite simple. Then under create voucher, so here you can just simply create a voucher as an example. So let's say you want to create a voucher. I want to create a 3-hour voucher, and I want to save it. So it will generally create that voucher. Now here there's a drop down, you just click on it. Again, this is a mobile version, and I want to send it to somebody, so I can just put in that person's number, and he or she will be sent this voucher code and then use it. And then basically gives you basic information about that specific voucher. As you can see, the active ones have not yet been used. This one has been used, expired. Quite a simple interface. Then for the design, we have various templates. You can use this template, or you can use this template. And as time goes by, we're going to add even more templates. So if you have 5 packages, your 5 packages will be input in the design. If you have 10, again, the design is very adaptive. So that's it for designs. Then we go to the revenue. So basically the revenue shows you how much money you're making. And then lastly, on the hotspot section, you can just go to the settings. Now on the settings, as you can see, you can have the name of the hotspot, you can have the contact us lists, then you can have the hotspot information. So it just gives, on the landing page, so that you can help your customers connect to your network, as you can see over here. Then you can have a picture of your company, brand. That's for the purpose of branding. Then payment method, you can use Kopo, you can use M-Pesa, and we will integrate more as we onboard more clients. Now for the voucher, so you have the option of deciding whether the voucher will expire immediately after creation, sorry, not expire, it will start counting the number of hours immediately after creation, or it will start counting the hours immediately after the client has logged in. So just choose to log in. Now here you have the option of choosing your voucher code. Now if you remember previously I showed you the vouchers. Mine were numeric. You can choose mixed vouchers or you can choose words. Again, depends on what you want. And then you can even choose a number of characters. So let's say for example for the numeric I chose 5 characters. If I wanted 6 I can put 6. If I wanted 7 I can put 7. Basically the higher the characters, the more the voucher pool that you have. And it's as simple as that. You can activate your SMS to be automatic. So if you remember when I was telling you about the bulk extend, instead of activating send, you can always it can be automatic by turning this on. And with that, that's how this hotspot system looks like. Quite easy. There's again, my simple IP wants to make things easy for the basic ISP or the most sophisticated ISP.